BBAI stock analysis and price predictions for Wednesday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this very brief, short 1-minute video till the end to find out for me. Now, I'm the only person in this page with actual track record of 45,000 videos and 5 years of experience, which I've documented them all. Like all I saw is just, obviously we gapped down very freaking crazy. It was a very strong pull down. Now, especially with BBAI, before that pull down, I got like 5 long opportunities, which 3 of them were wins, 2 break-evens. And then I just put this thing here because the only real thing that I was hoping I saw is a double break confirmation so that I can be able to, you know, buy more. And it just kind of came up, filled in a gap at the end of the day. And this is not something that I'm immediately going to start buying, you know. And time again, you know, I've done 45,000 videos. I've seen that situations like this are not the best, but especially now here with BBAI, I also have like 103 receipts with it, you know, in the Discord. Now, what I'll be waiting for is definitely more candles. Now, you could be like, okay, but you're missing out. And okay, like, welcome to trading. Sometimes you're going to miss out. But for me, like, unless I see the price actually sort of pulling down and giving me some confirmations and shift, there's just no way that I'll look to take it up. So we'll keep you updated. I mean, obviously, I have this hard time from idea and attitude towards it, but I'm not going to randomly buy them. So if you want to stay tuned and get free sauce, click the first link in the description. I'll continue to keep you updated.